Hi everyone, welcome to a DIY little session for Lavender. My name is Alice and I'm going to show you how to make your own body wash today. Something that I've been really loving is slowly swapping out my skincare products with DIY products that incorporate the oils. It feels really amazing to be able to make my own products, because not only do I know in my core that they are good for me because I know absolutely everything that is in them, but I'm also supporting the planet as well. And most of the things that I make, I use my oils from the Home Essentials kit, which is amazing. So today with the body wash, it's a really super simple recipe. It takes only a second to make up. So this is going to be a really short video. So I use the Pure Castile soap, unscented, and I get this from my local little health food store. However, you can get it from like bulk Whole Food stores and a couple of other places as well. So it's very easily accessible. You can also get it online if you need to. And I use fractionated coconut oil as well. I use my doTERRA fractionated coconut oil, and then I also just have a larger bottle that I got from Coles. And it's an organic one as well, and it's amazing, and it's just nice to have a bigger bottle for when I'm doing my DIY products. And then of course the amazing lavender. In my body wash, you know, I go intuitively, what do I feel my body needs? You know, if you're having a shower in the morning, perhaps you would like to incorporate more oils that are very uplifting and invigorating for the morning, like citrus oils. However, I have my shower at night time, so I'm going to use lavender. I will also put in some frankincense, a little bit of lemon, not too much, and I'll also probably incorporate something like cypress, which is amazing because I do a lot of yoga and my muscles are tired, plus I stand up at a job at a cafe, so it's really nice to have that support as well, not only for my skin but for my muscles as well. So really easy. I'm going to use a jar because I have a pump on my shower wall, so I will tip this into there, but you can use anything that is suitable for you and for your showers, something that's convenient. And it's super easy. You just fill in about half your container or your bottle halfway. Did I say halfway or did I say a quarter in the recipe? I should check that. I'm going to do half though. Roughly. That's about halfway. And then it's going to be 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. This will just help blend the essential oils into the water and into the soap. And just to, you know, be conscious of, this is, you know, we're diluting here. This is what we're doing for the essential oils. And then about 15 drops of, oh, I forgot that I didn't have a thing on that. Okay, well there goes all of that in there. But 15 to 20 drops of your essential oils. You know, you can even just kind of give it a wash, like, you know, see how it's actually blending in. So it won't actually have that same colouring that we begin with. But yeah, that smells really good. But you know, your nose is also super intuitive, so you can just smell and see how you like the smell of it. Because some people do have, I did a DIY skincare class at home with some girlfriends, and we made our own body wash, and everyone had kind of different, senses. So their smell, some people would just, their smell would be really strong and they wouldn't have that much oil in there, but it would smell really potent to them. So, you might just be different. So you can just go with how you feel. And then just top it with filtered water like I just did then. And there we have it, body wash. It's so amazing. I love that we just made that. So the recipe will be posted. Lavender is super calming for the skin and for the body. It is great, for irritations on the skin. And then it is also an antiviral, antibacterial oil. So, it's really nice for germs and things like that as well. Plus you're going to smell divine, you're going to feel really good, really relaxed, really grounded. And that's why I love having it in the body wash for nighttime, because I get out of the shower and I just feel like really peaceful. So it's amazing for that, but it is really great for your skin and just to keep your skin nice and healthy, and keeping it at bay if you get any like rashes or skin irritations, then it's going to really be supportive for that. So there we go. Any questions, please just add them in the comments, or if you're going to make it, or how you feel, or maybe any combos that you think of for the oils that you would like to have in your body wash, then please share them with us. We'd love to hear them, and I hope you're having a really, really great, amazing time with this beautiful essential education week or 10 days. But yeah, we'll chat to you soon. Thanks so much, guys, for joining us today. Namaste.